This is the beautiful 5-piece kitchen knife set from PAUDIN. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this was gifted to me for Christmas from my son and daughter-in-law. And I've used them several times already in this past week, but I just want to show you the box that it comes in and how it's displayed. And it comes with this pamphlet with a bunch of information on each of the knives, and then it comes with a warranty card. So that's really nice. So I'll show you these up close. I've been using them, so you might see a little bit of watermarks on it from me washing it. Obviously you can polish these every time if you want to, but they're beautiful. The handle's made of paca wood. So this is the 8-inch chef knife. And then, like I said, this is a 5-piece set. This is the 8-inch bride knife. And then it comes with the 7-inch Santoku knife. So there you've got that. And then it comes with a 5-inch, what do you call it? Utility knife. And then the 3.5-inch paring knife. So really great. It does recommend that you hand wash these. I hate to admit that I have put them in the dishwasher, but I won't do that anymore. I normally hand wash my knives, so I do want to take extra good care of these. They've been fine. Of course, I haven't put them in the dishwasher tons because I've only had these for a week or so, but it's recommended that you do hand wash them. I think they're beautiful. They're very sharp. I am not worried about these handles cracking because it's from the paca wood. So what else can I tell you? Oh, they are the premium alloy steel, and it says that the hardness of the Japanese knife set can reach 56 plus, which has the best durability and has excellent rust resistance. So we'll see how this goes, but I'm so excited to have a nice knife set and a beautiful.